First, have you lost data like photos, videos, documents, files or folders from Android phone and are looking for best ways to recover deleted data from Android without root or backup? Then the question is how to recover deleted files from Android phone without backup or root, and how Android data recovery works. Well folks, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Simply watch the video and follow the steps by downloading data recovery software from the links in description and pinned comment to recover deleted files without rooting Android phone. Hey folks, myself from Business back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted files from Android phone without root. First, this method will work even if you don't have any backup or have deleted files from recently deleted as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started and know how to recover lost files from Android phone without root. And for this, we will be using a professional Android data recovery software from FonePaw. FonePaw Android Data Recovery is a PC-based application that can find deleted old data from Android phone memory and get them back. It can recover more than 100 plus file types like text messages, photos, videos, contacts, music, audio, call logs, WhatsApp data and much more. No matter how you have lost your files, FonePaw can let you recover files from Android without backup or root. The best part, it is also compatible with Android 14 and offers 3 modes to recover deleted Android files. FonePaw can recover data from internal memory, recover files from Android SD cards, and can also recover contacts from SIM card. Simply follow 3 simple steps to recover files from Android devices using FonePaw. Wow, that seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit FonePaw Android Data Recovery Software official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once FonePaw Android Data Recovery Software free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have FonePaw Android Data Recovery Software. So first, let's know how to use FonePaw Android Data Recovery Software to recover files from Redmi. And for that, here we are back on FonePaw Android Data Recovery Software. Now we need to connect our Android phone with computer by USB. Once Android phone is connected, FonePaw will ask us to enable USB debugging. Follow these steps to enable USB debugging on your Redmi phone. Simply open settings and tap on about phone. Now tap 7 times on MIUI version to enable developer mode. Now go back and open additional settings. Here you will see developer options. Tap to open it. Now scroll down and here we have USB debugging. Now toggle this on, and after that a pop-up comes, allow USB debugging. Tap on OK. Once connected, here we have option to select the type of files we want to recover. Here we have contacts and messages, with which we can recover contacts, messages, call logs, WhatsApp and WhatsApp attachments. Next we have media, which allows us to recover gallery, picture library, videos, audio and documents. Let's recover few photos and videos, and for that let's uncheck this. Now click on next. After this, FonePaw will start checking device information. Checking device information completed, getting ready for scanning device. Now this will install PhoneGo Assistant app on Redmi phone and will require us to give some permissions to access data. Tap on allow to give permissions. As we give permissions, here it shows success in connection. Once done, it starts scanning for deleted files, and within few seconds scanning gets completed. Here we can check for images from gallery, videos, audio and documents. Simply selected the files I want to recover and then click recover. Next we need to select location where we want to save recovered files. Selected desktop. Now click recover. It starts recovering, and once Android data recovery completes, it opens up the folder containing our recovered files. Here in gallery we have the pictures recovered. Let's check them out. See, all these are fully recovered and are in their original size. We also have videos. Let's open it. See, these are also recovered and there is no loss in video quality. Well, that's awesome work from FonePaw Android data recovery software. Now you may ask, is FonePaw Android data recovery software free and safe to use? Well folks, it's 100% safe and offers a high success rate. The best part, we can scan for deleted files and preview them for free, but to recover them, we will require plans. So now let's talk about FonePaw Android data recovery software pricing plans. And for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans that you can choose as per your requirement. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on FonePaw Android data recovery software to recover deleted files from Android phone without backup or root. And if you want to, find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to debugging, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Got a second-hand iPhone that is updated to latest iOS 16.3 update and is stuck on iPhone lock to owner. Now you are looking to bypass iCloud activation lock. How can I recover deleted data from iPhone? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video.